Hello and welcome back to another episode of Products in Detail, the series where we take a detailed look into our favourite products and processes. Now today we're going to be talking about our Ultimate Detailer and our Ultimate Quik Wax and the differences between them. So let's go straight in with our Ultimate Detailer. Now we're commonly asked, how to use a detail and what is it for. So we would always say it's a maintenance product to look after your already clean car. Now if you're in an inside kind of scenario like this, so your car's kept in a garage or you're at a car show or anything like that, and you notice that there's some kind of water spots or light dusting, detailers are the perfect way of removing that safely from the surface. Now the benefit of using our Ultimate Detailer is it's going to boost that gloss and also offer a little bit of water protection as well. So you will find that you get nice sharp water beading from this product. So using the Ultimate Detailer is super simple. Light mist on the surface, then wipe one way with your finishing towel. Flip to a dry side and buff the opposite direction for 0 white marks. So you can safely remove light dusting from the surface of the paint. It's not like our Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax. If you want more information on how to use our Ultimate Waterless Wash and Wax, just click this link above. So we're now going to move on to our Ultimate Quik Wax. Now we're commonly asked questions about what is a Quik Wax and when should you be using it, and is it a replacement for waxing? Now the quick answer is no. It's not a replacement for waxing, it's more of a top-up for your existing wax protection. So we've talked about how the Ultimate Detailer can help maintain the vehicle by cleaning off kind of light fingerprints, dust and enhancing gloss. Now we're going to talk about how you can use Ultimate Quik Wax to boost protection. So just like the Detailer, we're going to do a light mist over the paint. And the beauty of using a Quik Wax is you do not need to let it cure, you just wipe it straight off. So again, wipe in nice clean lines, flip the towel and buff. So that's it for another episode of Products in Detail. Today we've covered how to maintain your vehicle using our Ultimate Detailer and how to boost existing protection using our Ultimate Quik Wax. Remember to like, share and subscribe and tap that notification bell to be notified when the next Meguiars video is released. Also, if you want to see your favourite Meguiars product in detail, drop us a comment below and we'll do our very best to get it covered.